Market's incredibly boring today, so let's go ahead and do an update here on SOFI. So, like I said a couple videos ago, Wave 3 finished right here, and now it's pretty obvious that this is a Wave 4. We're getting a lot of chop, back and forth movement. The only question is, are we finished with the fourth wave here, or is this only the A wave, and then this is the B wave? In the previous videos, I said it's possible we go up here and then we come back down here. And really, it's the same thing as last video. We're either breaking out here for a third wave. If we are breaking out for a third wave, I want to see minimum of 1680. But really, I want to see more than that because, again, this next wave is going to go to 21 bucks. So for those reasons, despite the fact that we got this nice move higher right here, and this chop down, and then a nice move higher right here, I'm going to lean towards this being a B wave. We have 7 days down, basically 7 days up. And the market overall, I think, is ready to take a breather into OPEX on the 20th. And that makes a lot of sense for SOFI to come down here, break outside the parallel line here on around the 20th or so. If this is the top right here, which is very likely, we hit the outside of the parallel line, then I'd be looking for something around 1470-ish. This is actually a demand zone right down here. That would be wave 4 right there. And you can see it broke the parallel line pretty much perfectly. So this could end up being a 3-week consolidation for SOFI, and then after that, we get a real move. I don't really consider what's going on here a real move. You can see up, chop, we get a nice move today, but then it's coming back too quickly. If this was a third wave, I would have wanted to see, continuation higher. We're getting hung up here, and there's a $16 call wall for tomorrow. So all those signs point to this move down here next week, potentially below 15 bucks. But I would not try to nail the bottom. Maybe if you're trying to buy more shares, dollar cost average. Because it doesn't have to go down to 1470. It doesn't even have to make a new low. It could just go to, could come down here to 1550 and make a minor C wave here. It could come down here to 1490. We don't know yet. The only thing we know for sure is that we're eventually going to get this move. But it doesn't look like it's going to happen right here. Where would I say I was wrong about that is if tomorrow, for some reason, this blasts up here to like above 17 bucks. Then I'd be like, okay, that's probably a 5-wave move. But right now, as it looks like a B wave. Let's zoom out here and get the full picture. So, again, we are in this third wave, and we are in the fourth wave of the third wave. So now we're going to have a fifth wave higher, probably going to 21 bucks. And then after that, I'm looking for consolidation for a couple months, and then higher after that. It's possible still that this is ABC, but I would still look for 21 bucks. So everything's still on track. We're just taking a breather here for a couple of weeks. They got to take that premium away for people gambling on calls. And that's why I say I would at least go a few months out on your calls if you're buying. And preferably just buy shares and not have to worry about it. Because this stock will be much higher in the future. And you can just hold those shares for the long term. So that's the update for today. Basically, I think this rest of this week is probably going to finish somewhere around 16 bucks. And then next week, I'm leaning down. How far down? We'll see. I said 14 bucks was a magnet potentially, but no, I don't think it's gonna go that low. Based on where we're at today, we're looking at probably something around 14.50 to 15 bucks for the end of the fourth wave. And I'll do an update here soon. That's it for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.